Similarly, if I want the tangents to circle from point A, tangent to the smaller circle from point A, again I will need a perpendicular bisector of AB only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And from that point again we'll need the circle which we are anyways going to draw. So first write the steps of construction quickly, all of you, and we are going to follow the steps of construction. Steps of construction. Draw the line segment AB is equal to 8 centimeters. Draw a circle taking A as center and radius equal to 4 centimeters. Again, draw another circle. With B at center and radius equals to 3 centimeters. 4. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. Anyways, for circle A, you need a perpendicular bisector of AB, tangents for circle A, and tangents for circle B, again you need the perpendicular bisector of AB only, because for circle A, you want tangents from B, and for circle B, you want tangents from point A. So anyways, you are going to need the perpendicular bisector of AB. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Intersecting AB at point M, where M becomes the midpoint. Now, draw a circle with M as center and radius equal to MA equal to MB, such that it intersects the circles with centers A and B at points. Name the points X, Y, XY. A वाला सर्कल को XY and B वाला सर्कल को P and Q respectively. 6. Join BX and BY and extend them to get the tangents for the circle with center A from point B. Last point, similarly, join AP and AQ and extend them to get the tangents for the circle with center B. From point A. Simple thing it is. So first of all, construct the perpendicular bisector of AB, and that perpendicular bisector you can see is going to be tangent to the circle A, because exactly at 4. Are you getting the same thing? Check. Are you getting the perpendicular bisector like this only, children?
Yes, sir.
And now when you draw the circle, with M at center and MA and MB. So on circle A, you have got the points X and Y. So these are the points X and Y. And these are the points P and Q. So BX is a tangent. For circle A. Similarly, BY is a tangent for circle A. Check whether you're getting the same tangent, children. This blue wala circle had to be dotted. I don't have the provision for a dotted circle. So unfortunately, I have to do it. AP and AQ. Check whether we are getting the same kind of. Children, are we getting the same kind of tangents?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Nice. Yes or no? Children, am I audible to all of you? First of all, tell me one thing. Am I audible or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah, then say something.
Yes.
And are you getting the same figure?
Yes, sir.
If somebody take a screenshot, beta. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Let us go for the next question. Very important question. Question number 6. All of you will pay attention very, very carefully now. The most critical and the most difficult construction of this chapter. Okay, in a triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees and AB and BC they have given. The circle through B, C and D. Do you remember last year in grade 9, we had learned a unique circle can be drawn passing through 3 given points, 3 given non-collinear points. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
So that. Now ABC is a right angle triangle in which AB is 6, BC is 8 and angle B is 90. So first of all, construct that ABC triangle. All of you will construct ABC triangle. So this is going to be my BC. And this is going to be that angle B has to be 90 degrees. So we'll draw an arc. 60, 120 on bisecting, you get 90 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And from B, mark point A at 6 centimeters. Complete AC. Complete the triangle ABC. Now stop, all of you first. Everybody will stop. See, you drew the line BC. At point B, mark a 90 degrees ka angle. You can mark either with protractor or like this. Mark an arc 60, 120, bisect 60 and 120 to get 90. It is your choice. You just get the triangle ABC with 8 centimeters as base, 90 degrees angle and 6 centimeters. Now see what they are saying. BD is perpendicular from B on AC. From B, I want a perpendicular on AC. This line which has to be 90 degrees. And how to get this is important. For that, listen very carefully. Listen very, very carefully. I will keep my compass at point B. Listen carefully. Keep the compass at point B and mark an arc which will cut AC in 2 points, X and Y. And now construct the perpendicular bisector of XY. Keeping on X more than half, more than half. And that perpendicular bisector will definitely pass through B. Like this. From X you took an arc, you took an arc. From Y you cut the arc, you cut the arc. This line will exactly be passing from B and it would be the perpendicular on AC. So this BD is going to be 90 degrees. Construct this part. I am writing the steps of construction for this part. Again, from B, draw an arc. Cutting AC at points X and Y. Construct the perpendicular bisector of XY, which will definitely pass through B. Now see what? B lies on the perpendicular bisector of XY. So B is equidistant from X and Y. That is our theorem of perpendicular bisector. And that is why from B we drew XY. So automatically this line becomes bisect perpendicular to XY. And XY is lying on AC. Means our construction is correct. So I'm just writing the steps. You do complete till here. Get the points B, D, and C. Steps of construction. Construct the given triangle ABC. Given right angled triangle ABC. Construct the given right angle triangle ABC. Draw an arc of any radius with center as B and it should intersect intersecting AC at 2 points X and Y. So draw likewise. Accordingly mark the arc which will cut AC in 2 points X and Y. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AC which will now of XY, sorry, perpendicular bisector of XY which will now pass through B and intersect AC at point D. AD is perpendicular to AC. Now BD is perpendicular to AC. Reach till here, all of you. Reach till here, all of you. Everybody has got the point D?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Perfect 90 degree.
Very good, very good. Now see. Now again, stop all of you. Stop all your work and see here. Now we want, see, the circle through B, C and D is drawn. This is B, C and D. Let me take on the next page. Last year, we had 3 points B, C and D. And they told us, construct a triangle circle passing through 3 non-collinear points. How to construct? Do you remember? Join BC, CD and construct their perpendicular bisectors. Do you remember? This is perpendicular bisect. This was the perpendicular bisector of
Yes,
BC.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Theorem number 5 in the circles. And then the perpendicular bisector of CD. Yes or no? Wherever they intersected, that point, intersection point was O. Now see, O lies on perpendicular bisector of BC. So OB equal to OC. O is equidistant from B and C. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the endpoints. So O lies on the perpendicular bisector of BC. So O is, see, just a minute. The perpendicular bisector of BC, let me draw with the blue ink. And the perpendicular bisector of CD, let me draw with the red ink. And wherever the two perpendicular bisectors are intersecting, O, because OB equal to OC and O lies on the bisector of CD, so OC equal to OD. Matlab OB equal to OC equal to OD. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And then
sir.
with O at center and taking any radius, either OB or OC or OD, we could draw the circle. Yes or no? Nice circle we could get.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, same construction again now we want to do. From B, C and D you want a circle. So what you will do? Perpendicular bisector of BC, perpendicular bisector of CD. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo construct karo. My perpendicular bisector of BC is going to be in blue color. From B we marked 2 arcs above and below. From C we cut the 2 arcs. My perpendicular bisector of CD is going to be in red color. Check, it is exactly coming on BC only. This is the perpendicular bisector of CD. and now you automatically get the center O. And now draw the circle. Taking OB, OD and OC as the radii. I'm drawing with the blue pen. You will get a circle like this. I'm just completing the steps of construction. To draw a circle passing through B, C and D, construct the perpendicular bisectors of BC and CD and let them intersect at point O. I'm giving the theory also. O lies on the perpendicular bisectors of BC and CD. Hence, OB is equal to OC because of BC and OC is equal to OD because of OD. In 4, make this as 4.1 or make this as 0.1. Construct the perpendicular bisectors of BC and CD. And then draw the circle with O at center and radius equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD, such that the circle passes through B, C and D. Complete till here, all of you. Complete till here. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Complete till here, everybody. Quickly complete. Steps I have given. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Steps I have written. Check the steps, accordingly complete the construction. Did you get this circle, children? Yet to
Yes,
get.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see what they are saying. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Now we want tangent from A to the circle. But can you see that AB is already the tangent? AB is already the tangent.
Yes, sir.
Because OB is the radius and OB is perpendicular to AB, we have constructed. And we know that radius is perpendicular to tangent. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now AB is already the tangent and we know that two tangents are equal. So now taking A as center and radius equal to AB, mark a point which is remaining now A, B, C, D, E. Mark a point P on the circle. Join AP. AB and AP are the tangents. So I have taken AB and whatever is AB, that exactly P point I'm going to get it over here. Quickly take a screenshot, somebody, because the meeting is going to get